What do a poisonous salt and a red paint pigment have in common? I don't know. Mercury! The toxic salt compound is HgCl2, and the red paint pigment compound is HgS. Is that element thingy? Why, certainly. This element started long ago, in a few countries far, far away, specifically Peru and Italy. It all started in the jungles of Peru. Boop. Mercury is formed by the mineral cinnabar. Next we go to the caves of Italy, where Italians use cinnabar to preserve skeletons. Boop. The mercury also formed here. Scientists have also found forms of mercury in Egyptian tombs from very long ago. Hey dude, what year is it? 500 BC. Thanks, man. What the? Finally, scientists have also found this element in China. What is this? I'm not quite sure, sir. Why don't we ask the Greeks? They seem to be the ones naming everything around here. Right. Assistant, I can't seem to see, and I'm so terribly chilly. I'm afraid I can't advise you about that, sir, for I too am tremoring. Hydrogyrum. What on earth shall we name this? Or should I say, what in the universe shall we name this? Liquid silver.
Psst! Hey, messenger. Mercury. Tell him to name it after us. Gotcha! Man, this'll be so confusing with 3 Mercuries around now. Name it Mercury!
Aha! I shall name it Mercury. What do you say, fellas? Thus, the beginning of Mercury. Atomic number 80, atomic mass 200.59. What an astounding liquid. Well, man, where did you even get that? Obviously, it is from the largest mercury-producing places, Spain and Italy. A little bit of it is also from ancient Egyptian tombs from as long ago as 500 BC. Sup, bro? Watch this. As I place the mercury on this heat plate, it will expand. This is exactly how our thermometer works. When the temperature rises, so does the volume of the mercury. But since this element is so toxic and deadly, it was replaced with another safer liquid. It is also used in barometers, diffusion pumps, and many other scientific instruments. Hold up, dude. If this element is so toxic, why do we eat food that contains it? Actually, the only foods with mercury in them are fish and shellfish. Although they are necessary for healthy eating, everyone should watch out for high levels of mercury. As a matter of fact, did you know that mercury is so deadly that the Romans used mercury mines as the jail cells for criminals? The levels of mercury caused tremors, loss of hearing, restricted vision, and spared them executions. What? It's true. Haven't you ever wondered why Lewis Carroll's Mad Hatter was so incredibly mad? You don't mean. But of course! A mercury solution was used in the 1800s to turn fur into felt. Many hatters couldn't help but breathe in the poisonous fumes. Wow, even in a children's movie, science just has to sneak in somewhere.
Why, it's a raven, like a writing desk.